All right, YouTube, check it out. Your boy got a package the other day. I think I know what it is, but let's go ahead and get this open so we can actually see what it is in this package that your boy got. Oh man, they be wrapping these things up tight, man. It's hard to open these things up sometimes. They wrap this thing up real nice. All right, check it out, man. Check it out. We got a package from Suprent. We got the new Storm Gray Pro Clipper from Suprent. Y'all check that out. We're gonna go ahead and take off this plastic so y'all can see it a little better, and then get to opening up this package so y'all can see what comes in the box when you purchase this new clipper from Suprent, the Storm Gray Clipper. So y'all check it out, man. This is the box, but we're gonna go ahead and get into unboxing this. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. All right, so once again, as y'all can see, this is the box for the new Storm Gray Clipper from Suprent. Like I said, I just got this in. Today is Tuesday, so I probably got it in Friday or Saturday. I want to say it was Saturday. So let's go ahead and get this open. So we take off the top lid. Let's put that to the side. And it is a package deal. And what I mean by that is you get the clipper and the trimmer. As y'all can see, we got a little plastic cover on there. Let's move that to the side. So as you can see, we got the clipper and the trimmer, and then 2 charging docks. Let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here first, man. I ain't gonna lie, this thing looks nice. All right, so check it out. Here is the clipper. We do have a click lever on there. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me a lot of the Instinct, just a little bigger. We have a blade cover. Let's pop that off. Oh, and then we got a new nice blue blade on there. Check that blade out. But that's the clipper, the new Storm Gray Clipper. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear it. So it does feel powerful. I don't think it's a vector motor, so I want to put that out there. I don't think it's a vector motor, but it does have the same kind of look like an Instinct clipper. Not a vector motor, at least it doesn't feel like one, but y'all check it out. That's the clipper. Let's go ahead and get out this Storm Gray trimmer. As y'all can see, here it is right here. Let's pop this blade cover off. And here is the trimmer. Same thing with the trimmer, looks a lot like the Instinct trimmer. I would have liked it if they would have at least put a blue blade to match the clipper. But, you know, that's something small, something I'm just being nitpicky about. But check it out once again, the Storm Gray trimmer. Turn that on. Let me read this, the back of this box, so I can see if it says, I'm pretty sure it's not a vector motor, but it says do not use electrical appliances while bathing or showering. Yeah, man, it basically doesn't say what type of motor is in there, but I'm almost 100% sure that it's not the vector motor. But nonetheless, check it out. Once again, here is the Storm Gray Clipper and trimmer from Suprent. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the clipper on one more time for y'all. As y'all can see, that's that right there. Oh, wait. Oh, and it's dual speed. Okay, so check it out. If I press it once, it's like that. As you can see, it's got a white light. Press it again, and it turns up a little bit. Feels a little more powerful. Okay, so that's pretty dope. We got, like I said, we got the click lever. We got some grooves in the back. We have the charging port at the bottom, along with a USB-C port, so you can charge it USB-C as well. We got a taper blade on there, and then I'm gonna show y'all the trimmer. Let me take this little plastic piece off of the trimmer. And then once again, here is the trimmer. And then we got the same thing with the trimmer, dual speed. So you press it once, the light is a white light. Press it again, it revs up a little bit, it powers up a little bit and turns blue, lets you know that it's on the higher speed. And then we do also get some charging docks in here, as y'all can see. So we get 2 charging docks. Obviously, one is for the trimmer, one is for the clipper. So let's go ahead and put those on the charging dock so y'all can see how they look once they are actually in the charging dock, so check that out. So once again, shout out to Suprent. I personally like when clipper companies send you charging docks. I talk about that all the time in a lot of my videos, but let's take a look at the charging dock. As you can see, this is the clipper one because it's got a picture of the clipper. I don't know if y'all can see it right there, but there's like a picture of the clipper right there. And then we have the charging port in back. It's just a USB-C. And then the trimmer has a picture, or the trimmer charging dock has a picture of the trimmer right there. Same thing basically. I guess it's just maybe slightly smaller, slightly different, just to make the trimmer fit in there perfectly and make the clipper fit in the charging dock perfectly as well. So once again, I'm gonna show y'all this. Check that out. Storm Gray clipper from Suprent. Let's put these down to the side real quick and get to looking at the rest of what comes in this box. So we're gonna move this out the way. So we do get some guards. As y'all can see, we get some guards for the clipper, some more guards for the clipper, and then we also get some guards for the trimmer. So I've been noticing clipper companies been doing that, man. They've been putting guards for trimmers. So that's pretty dope. If you're a barber that likes to use your trimmer to trim down beards, or if you're someone who purchases trimmers to line yourself up, or you know, to shape yourself up a little bit, these guards can come in handy, right? And then we also get some Suprent blade oil. Looks like some engine oil, to be honest, like the way it's packaged. But we got some clipper oil. We get a cleaning brush. We get 2 USB-C chargers. We don't get a brick, but we get the chargers right here, the charging cord at least. And then we get the Suprent Pro Beyond Master card. Okay. Well, that's that. And then we also have the Storm Gray booklet. So that's that. We're going to go ahead and put all this stuff back in the box. So the clipper and trimmer Storm Gray, once again, it doesn't say that it is a vector motor, and I am almost 100% sure that it's not a vector motor due to the way these things sound, right? They sound good though. Sounds pretty powerful on the highest speed. It might be a vector motor, who knows? Matter of fact, if y'all know what type of motor this is, y'all let me know down in the comments. Because when you turn it up all the way, it sounds more the clipper sounds kind of vectorish, but that's that. But check it out, the new Storm Gray clipper and trimmer from Suprent Pro. Looks dope. Ergonomics on it look pretty dope. But y'all know what it is, man. That's all this video is, me just unboxing, you know, these tools. Once again, you do get the clipper, you do get the trimmer, you get 2 charging docks, 2 charging cords, you get some oil, and then you also get a fade brush and some guards for the clippers. That's really all you really need for your clippers and trimmers, as long as they come with a charging dock or a charging cord or something to keep the tools charged, your guards and some oil, you're good to go. So that's what we got in this package. Once again, shout out Suprent Pro. I will put the link down in the description if you are interested in ordering this tool. I'll put the link down in the description for you so y'all can check that out. But you know how your boy's gonna do it, man. Your boy is gonna be putting these to use for a little bit before I actually give y'all a review. This is just an unboxing. So y'all let me know what y'all think about these tools, man. First impression, like I said, I think they look pretty dope. Look pretty cool. Look a lot like the Instincts, just a little bigger. But that's nor here nor there. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these tools down in the comment section. Y'all think y'all gonna be trying these out, or y'all just gonna pass on these? But like I said, I will be getting some content using these here shortly, and I will be dropping an actual review on these. You know, give me a little bit of time, give me about 2 weeks or so, and I'll be dropping an actual review for y'all. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these so far. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.